today I seen this watch from Mini World Co. Watch in Instagram. You can check first. I ordered this watch with strap white. No. Alright, we open this packaging. Oh. I ordered this watch from situs of Mini World Co. You can check in Mini World Co. Instagram in bio. Let's open this page. This have two stamps. This is from Singapore. Maybe this just transit. So hard. And second stamp from Meucin. I don't know. Alright, maybe this is from China. I think so. Alright, now I will open this bag by cup. No. I just using my hand from opening this watch. Oh my god. This is what's in the bag. Like this. Now I will open this watch. Wow! This is so cute. Look. Alright. This is from China. So hard from get focus. Look. Look. So hard to get the focus. Alright, but it's okay. This is my watch. I ordered white stripe. Oh yeah, this strap, the material is skin, but like rubber, but it's okay. And this watch water resistant for 30 meters, but it just can't to forget the rain. This is can be diving or snorkeling. I think so. Alright, thank you for watching. This is my watch, and where's your watch? Alright, this watch have 7 colors. You can check in Mini World Co. Instagram, and you can order in I think you can order in Lazada or Citus on Mini World Co. bio.
So cute, right? Oh, very love this watch. Look. This is so cute. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.